Welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you love the idea of a smart home, but you want gear that actually solves problems, not just fancy toys. Today we're looking at 5 Amazon gadgets that have moved beyond being simple novelties and are now essential parts of a modern, secure, and efficient home. These are the tools smart homeowners absolutely swear by. Let's get into the top 5. We have the gold standard in video security, the ring-wired Doorbell Pro. This isn't your grandma's doorbell. Requiring existing doorbell wiring means it gets constant power, enabling best-in-class features like head-to-toe HD plus video, which ensures you can see packages right up against your door, and color pre-roll, giving you a few seconds of video before an event is even detected. The homeowners who use this love the reliability and the advanced security features, making it a true proactive security system. Simplest gadget on the list, but arguably the most impactful for everyday efficiency, the Wyze Plug. The beauty of the Wyze Plug is its simplicity. It's a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi plug that works seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and even IFTTT, all without needing a separate hub. Smart homeowners use these to automate dumb devices. Think scheduling your coffee maker to turn on at 6 a.m. or setting a random timer for a lamp while you're on vacation. It's the ultimate tool for turning manual tasks into automated routines. For those serious about home security and convenience, the Lockly Visage Zeno series smart lock is revolutionary. Forget fumbling for keys. This device is the total package. It features facial recognition, a huge step up in security, fingerprint keyless entry, a PIN Genie keypad, and built-in Wi-Fi. What makes homeowners swear by it is the sheer number of redundant, high-security access methods, including Apple Home Key support for a tap-to-unlock experience. It's an investment, but the peace of mind and convenience of never needing a physical key again are priceless. This is the gadget that brings genuine delight, the NETVUE by Birdfy Smart Bird Feeder with camera. Smart homes aren't just about doors and lights, they're about engagement. This battery and solar-powered feeder uses a 2-megapixel wireless camera with AI to automatically identify and notify you of visiting birds. Homeowners love getting real-time notifications and stunning color night vision captures of their feathered friends. It's a low-maintenance way to turn your backyard into a personal nature documentary with cloud storage for all your bird collections. Finally, let's talk about ambiance and energy savings with the Amazon Basics Smart A19 LED light bulb. Why do homeowners love a basic bulb? Because it's an affordable, high-quality color-changing solution that is refreshingly simple. It works directly with Alexa over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and requires no hub, the single biggest point of frustration for most smart bulb setups. They are 60-watt equivalent, bright, and let you control color and brightness with a simple voice command, making every room adaptable to any mood or task. So there you have it, 5 smart home gadgets that aren't just cool, they are genuinely transformative. Whether you're boosting security with the Lockly Visage, simplifying power with the Wyze Plug, or enjoying nature with the Birdfy feeder, these devices are the foundation of a modern, efficient, and smarter home. Which one are you adding to your cart first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.